Good afternoon. Covion welcomes you all to the webinar on Covion's Oracle HCM Cloud Extensions. I am Raghugari Ramya, Oracle Cloud Consultant at Covion, certified in talent management and global human resources. Today, let's see what is Oracle HCM Cloud Extension, why and when organization need cloud extensions, list of Covion's Oracle HCM Cloud Extensions, benefits of cloud extensions. At the end, we will see the case study of Covion's Oracle HCM Cloud Extensions. Covion is a business transformation and technology solution partner. We are specialized and have expertise in different HCM, CRM, finance, and application development technologies. Our portfolio on Oracle HCM Cloud talks about our experience across different Oracle HCM Cloud and Taleo modules, including Oracle Recruiting Cloud. With more than 10 plus years of experience in Oracle landscape, our expertise spans across multi-industry vertical projects accomplished through agile methodology. Term extend means to create a completely new artifact or a custom object. Extensions are not always customization. It can also be a wrapper or a framework that resides and engages with HCM Cloud in the same way as coexistence with traditional applications. It also simplifies business process and data handling with all downstream applications. Cloud extensions are absolutely cost effective and helps in reducing cost. Covion's cloud extension comes as an all-in-one complete package solution that will perfectly fit into your ecosystem. Covion's data masking, system integration, data exchange solutions provide a seamless, uninterrupted experience and unifies every process. We do have dedicated tools for user experience design, from configuring content layout to a new outlook and feel of the HCM cloud. System integrations means process of bringing different applications together into a single larger system. It is not always used to connect an organization internal system, but also third parties that organization operates with. It streamlines business goals. It also improves real-time data visibility and increased flexibility and scalability. With all these, our Covion developed dedicated tool will help us to overcome all the challenges. All organizations do have biometric integration to capture employees' presence and absence. Having data validated before feeding HR is the most difficult challenge nowadays. Few legacy processes used a standalone program to do the integration. Considering all these challenges, Covion has dedicated tool to overcome them. We have configured a wrapper to one of our clients where if employee punches 10 minutes after the standard punching time, and if he does this 3 times in a month, his leave balance will automatically get deducted. This is the front face of one of our customly built integration tool where HR admin will provide the username and the password. Many organizations will have a last minute change where candidate date of joining will be postponed due to some XYZ reasons. So where HR admin has to provide the username and the password and the company name, tally employee and the employee ID to be created in the Fusion email address and the hire day. Once we log in, automatically candidate ID will be created in the Fusion application as an employee. Data masking is a data security technique in which dataset is copied from production to test environment where data is scrubbed or replaced. Inbuilt wrapper in tool will not only scrubs data but also validate runtime validation. With our Covion dedicated tool, it can easily locate data, ensures data security and cost effective and less complicated than encryption. When production live data is being moved to test, we face challenges to retain characteristics of original data. Covion has a tool where it will automatically takes care of replacing, scrubbing, and sometimes erasing the complete data. This tool is very easy and quick maintenance, fully automated, always ready for change in data. Plugin is also called as add-ons, which will add new functions to host a program. In other words, these add-ons provide support for specific features or functionality. Covion's dedicated Chrome browser plugins will allow web browsers to display additional content. These plugins are user-friendly and pre-built integrated and enhances business process and flexibility. Every organization will keep updating employees' salary in its performance salary. Let's have a quick run through where system automatically calculates the salary breakup details. Here I have taken a new employee where with the help of plugin we will update the salary without having a manual intervention. Make sure the start date is the date of joining and the action is hire and click on OK. Select the salary basis. Components will be displayed. We see here salary, basic salary, house rent allowance, variable pay, employer contribution are showing as 0. We'll go to the plugins, extensions, Covion CTC calculator, which is a Chrome based plugin, and select the Fusion, new hire, and provide an approximate value and click on calculate. Automatically, the plugin will push the amount to be separated for the various components. Mass upload. It's a process of taking data structured under source and transforming it to the target application. Covion's dedicated self-service tool can help users to bulk upload images, documents. It reduces data risk and it has tailor-made templates for various business multiple actions. HRs will have to upload documents and Oracle applications in terms of employees' identity, address, salary slip, etc. All these documents any user can upload with the help of Covion self-service tool.